If you want to change your alternator belt, serpentine belt, or auxiliary belt as it's also known, on your car, then it couldn't be any simpler. In this video we will be changing the belt on the Ford EcoBoost engine, but this operation is pretty much the same on every vehicle. If it has a guard on it, like this one, then we need to remove that first. There's just 4 bolts on this one to remove it, and then it just lowers down. And you can see all the fastenings that hold this on. Sometimes you may need to remove the wheel arch liner. With this out of the way, we can now see the auxiliary belt. It's worth noting the direction and where the belt actually goes, because sometimes you can have a bit of fun putting them back on. So we're looking at the tensioner here, and you can see the hexagon fitting. We can put a ratchet in here on this particular model and then use the ratchet to release the tension on the auxiliary belt. With the tension released, you can put a dowel into the tensioner to hold the tensioner off. Isn't always necessary, but is an option for you. If the tensioner hasn't got a hexagon fitting to tension it, you can pull down on the auxiliary belt like this, and then obviously insert or take out the pin as and when required. No, it is definitely easier with the pin, but depending on your resources, obviously that's what option you will have. So, as you can see, not too difficult. Obviously, different models vary, and I do have some different videos on different models. I will leave a couple of links for you to see at the end of this video. And, as always, please don't hesitate if you have any questions to leave a comment below and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching. This has been How to Fix It. Here's the video and we'll see you over there right now.